my eyes welcome me back. So hopefully in this video we get to finish up the game here, and hopefully it will work. If it doesn't, it doesn't. HUD dot update score HUD dot show message show. Alright, fine, show message. Get ready, 'cause here I come. So get ready. I don't know the words to this song, so get ready. Game over. We need to call the corresponding HUD function. So let's go to the game over, and let's go ahead and add HUD dot show game over. Finally, add this to the on score timer timeout. HUD dot update score. Okay. Now you're ready to play. Click play the project button. Select the main scene. So choose main scene. No, I don't want to. No. Control S. Okay, let's see if this even works. It probably won't work just because. Select main scene. Main. Open. Start. Get ready. Hey. Score keeps on building. Build. Oh, game over, man. Game over. Dodge the creeps. Start. Get this party started. And it works. Cool. I like it. It's really cool. Dodge the creeps. I wonder how easy it'd be to do a little breakout game. I wanted to do one that was like extremely low resolution in Game Maker, and okay, so that's good, and we finished up in early time, in record time. Now complete all the functionality for our game. Below are some remaining steps to add a bit more juice to improve the game experience. Feel free to expand gameplay with your own ideas. Default gray background is not very appealing, so let's change its color. One way to do this is use a color rec node. Make it the first node under main so that it will be drawn behind the other nodes. I see. Color rect has only one property color. Choose a color that you like and drag the size of the color rect so that it covers the screen. You can also add a background image if you have one by using a sprite node. Okay, so sound effects. Sound music can be the most effective way to add appeal to your game experience in your game assets folder. You have two sound files: House in a Forest loop og and for background music, and game over wave for when the player loses. Add two audio stream player nodes as children of main. Add one of them music, the other one, name one of them music, and the other death sound. Okay. Finally add, okay, keyboard shortcut. Right. Okay, so first thing here is debugger errors 3. Min speed and max speed is declared but never used in the script. Argument body is never used in the function on player body. Yeah, I wonder what the deal is with that. On player body entered. Emit signal, hit, collision shape. Okay, there we go. Still see my eyes? Okay. Probably looking up my nose, but that's okay. So min and max speed are never used either. Animated sprite. Screen exited. Visibility notifier 2D screen exited. Weird. How do we make the main new game, score timer, mob timer? Direction. Oh, but it is actually used. It's just not used in the script, in the one script. So this one on mob timer timeout. Set offset brand I. Path 2D. Huh. See, it's like, is there a way to make that function appear in the mob script instead of the main script? Like we could call a function because it creates the instances, huh? I see. Okay, that's alright, I guess. I don't know, Godot seems a little bit more complicated than I would have originally thought. I know probably it might be a good idea to actually, here, let's do something here. Use a color rect node. So if I add a node, let's type color rect create, and let's like that, and let's choose the color, and let's make that let's do it like that, and do it like that. Okay. And then let's go ahead and, is there a way to, alright, whatever. Pull this guy down here, like that. And save it. And let's go ahead and run it. Neat. Okay. Where's the folder? Let's go to art. House in the forest. Loop og. Alright, so apparently there's no background in there, just the sound. So, sound effects. Sound of music, house and loop, game over wave. Add 2 audio stream player nodes as Children of Maine. Okay. Audio stream player, say 2D, and add another create. Oh, no. There. Okay. Let's call this music, and let's call this one death sound. On each one, click the stream property load and choose a corresponding audio file. So load music, this one, open, and death sound. Load, game over, open. Okay, so Control S to play the music. Add music play in the new game function. Okay, where is the script editor? How do I close that? That's what I want to know. I know we're here at the end here, but show list of all objects at the position clicked. I see. Okay. Scale mode. Select mode. Okay, fine. Let's just click on script here. Okay, so what did it say? New game. Music stop. Here. Music play and music dot stop. Finally add death sound play in the game over, so death sound dot play. Okay. And let's go ahead and go down to the music. It doesn't need to be looping. Is it going to loop? Okay, it kind of doesn't matter, does it? So, I'm going to go ahead and play this, even though we're going way over our time, which is nothing new here. And we're going to see if it plays. Yep, playing music just fine. Okay, and then the final piece here, keyboard shortcut, be convenient, start the game by pressing key on the keyboard, shortcut property the button node, so let's go to the HUD scene, or HUD, let's go to the start button, find its shortcut property, shortcut in. Where's the actual shortcut property though? New shortcut. Find its shortcut property in the inspector. Shortcut, 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 short, shorty, short. I don't see shortcut in here. Node. Base button. There we go. Shortcut. New shortcut. What did it say? Click on the shortcut item. A second shortcut property appears. Select new input. New input event action. Click on input event. I guess can't make that any bigger. Okay. Finally, in the action property, type the name UI select. UI select that. Spacebar. Okay. We'll say that. And we'll run it and see what happens. This is cool. Oh. Awesome. Well, I know this is 20 minutes. It should be 12 minutes, but it's because I decided at first I wasn't going to go ahead and add the sounds and the shortcut in here, but I decided to do it anyways, and so it's that much longer. And I'm not going to edit it because that would take too long. And anyways, thanks for bearing with me. This should appear on Monday. Tuesday, I'm not sure if I'm going to go ahead and do some more story stuff, or if I'm going to go ahead and start right in on the FPS. So I don't know. This seems a little, I don't know, complicated, I guess you might say. And it's supposed to be really easy, and I mean, it's not like it's hard. It's not hard. But shoot, I should find a starting Unity tutorial, hopefully one in text, and then see if I can't make something that quicker. We'll see. I mean, it's not like this is hard, you know. I get it, HUD and all that stuff, but it's like it's like when I put the 2D node there and I kind of messed up the HUD thing, and you're kind of going, well, what am I supposed to do? How am I supposed to do this? Or, the instructions are unclear. It looks like there's so many different ways you could, like, kind of screw things up or whatever. Like I said, it's not hard. I mean, none of this is hard. You add a timer, you do stuff. But they have this weird things like following the path. And so I had to do the $ mob path, and then I had to do a /, and I don't know what that means, and I have to go through the docs, and it should be kind of almost intuitive. When I'm going through the tutorial, everything should be pretty easy, even on a basic tutorial. So I don't know. We'll see. I'll go through the FPS tutorial and see if then I can't make my own little. And I'm only doing the FPS tutorial so I understand how their 3D works, because really I'm just going to be doing a basic creating a mesh, and then I'll be creating a mesh in Blender. I'll import it in. I'll create a nav mesh, and then I'll find a way of clicking on someplace on the mesh, and then have an object move there, which is what I need for my adventure game. So stay tuned for that. Forgive this stupidly long video, and we'll get back on track. I'll see you the next time.